In StackAI, we can leverage powerful developer capabilities to extend our AI applications beyond basic prompting. These developer tools give us flexibility to connect with external services, run custom code, and build production-ready AI applications. So whether you're building a simple prototype or a complex AI system, these tools help bridge the gap between AI models and your existing infrastructure. In this tutorial, we'll cover 4 key developer capabilities in StackAI. First, we'll look at the Python node for custom code execution. Then we'll explore the custom API tool for connecting to external services. Next, we'll see how to create your own tools using the OpenAPI specifications. And finally, we'll check out the export API options for production deployment. The Python node gives you a sandbox environment to run custom Python code directly in your StackAI workflow. You'll find several pre-imported libraries available to use immediately, including popular data processing packages. Let me show you a simple example. Here we're using json.dumps to create a structured output that can be used later in our workflow. You can also choose from predefined templates to get started quickly or view the documentation to see which libraries are available. This is perfect for data transformation, complex calculations, or any custom logic you need to apply to your AI pipeline. The output from your Python code can then be passed to the AI model or to other nodes in your workflow. The custom API tool lets you connect to any external service or database through REST endpoints. Here you can select the HTTP method you need, for instance get, post, put, delete, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. You can configure the URL, request body headers, and authentication details to connect securely to your services. For example, in this workflow, we're using this endpoint to retrieve information from an external database. One powerful feature is the ability to chunk API responses, treating them like documents that can be processed by your AI model. This makes it easy to work with large datasets or complex API responses without overwhelming your model's context window. To create your own reusable tools, click the Add button and define your tool using the OpenAPI specification standard. Here you can see we've created tools like getAllPosts and getPostById that can be used by the AI model. Once saved, these custom tools become available across your entire project, so you don't need to redefine them for each workflow. Anyone in your organization working on this project can access and use these tools, ensuring consistency across your applications. When your workflow is ready for production, you can use the Export API option to deploy it as a backend service. This allows you to run StackAI in the background while building your own custom interface on top, or embedding it in your product. You can select from different programming languages and environments based on your technical stack. Our comprehensive API documentation covers all endpoints and integration options, including analytics extraction for monitoring performance. The developer capabilities in StackAI provide immense flexibility for connecting to external services and extending functionality. And even if you don't see a native integration for your specific needs, the custom API tool gives you the power to build exactly what you need. Thanks for watching and happy building.